You know, I'm just not feeling it, you know?
Okay.
Try taking it from a C there, yeah. C.
That was a C.
You know, it's tough. Songwriting takes most of our time. It's you know, it's not an easy job.
We are the Plan 9s. We're a band, and we make ringtones.
Honestly, I feel like we really came into our own when we came up with Coconut Dream. You know, it has this sort of just like... It's a tough job, you know? Sometimes we're recording for like 2 or 3 hours a week. When you gotta play, you gotta play. Wait, that's the November Cues.
Oh yeah,
It's like apples and oranges and then our songs, you know? That's how people compare things. You know, like you have 3 perfect things. An apple, an orange, and our music. It's like having a pretty woman, another pretty woman, and then the movie, Pretty Women.
You know, we've got a really good group dynamic. We work close together, you know? That's one thing that can really tear a band apart is, you know, not having a good group dynamic.
Guys, what are you doing?
We were just,
We don't have time for this.
Yeah, okay. You know, we have some downtime when we're recording, when it's like uploading and stuff, and it's really good. Oh. What was I saying?
Ralph is our lyricist. That's because, that's because he's not actually musically trained. So, I had to hold a little intervention for Ralph about having the innate desire to throw scatting into all of our ringtones.
It works.
I don't feel like it really fits with our dynamic or what the
Guys, can we not start this again?
I just think that maybe we don't need scatting. I mean, you're not Louis Armstrong, so... So we let him sing. All he can play on the guitar is Michael, row your boat ashore. So.
Alright, down here, this is where the magic happens. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah!
It's the other way.
Oh.
Like,
oh.
turn. I would consider myself the brawn of the group, you know? Because I do most of the heavy lifting. Like all the recording, and sound mixing.
Lately the industry has taken a sort of a beating, you know, because people are putting MP3s on their phones and whatnot. It's a dying breed, you know, so we just feel really honored that we could be part of the tradition.
We are the Plan 9s.